How to set up your business profile on web. First of all, make sure you are logged into your web account. Once you are on the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your business name. Under this, you will find the business settings option. Click on it to start setting up your profile. Next, click on business profile under the payroll section. Then hit the Explore Web Payroll button and complete the required steps by adding your company signatory and other basic information. Once this setup is completed, you will get full access to the business profile page. Here enter your business name, legal name, phone number and business address. Make sure all the information is accurate because it will also appear in your invoices, receipts and other financial document. After that, scroll down to add your business type and industry. Then select the correct legal structure such as sole proprietorship, partnership or LLC. Next, move to the branding section. Here you can upload your business logo, choose your brand colors and set the fonts used for your invoices and estimates so everything looks professional and consistent. Then go to the currency and language section. Select the currency you work with, your preferred number format, and the language you want your documents to display. Next, go to payment settings if you plan to accept online payments. Here you can enable credit card or bank transfer payments, set payment terms, and customize how your clients will pay you. Finally, review all the details you have added. Once everything looks correct, save your changes. Your business profile is now fully set up and ready to work smoothly with web's invoicing, accounting, and payment tools. Now you know how to set up your business profile on web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.